The Z Flip 3 is one of the best smartphones on offer by Samsung currently, and despite what the numbers state, the camera on this is pretty good. However, do you know how to make the most out of it? Whether you're a new user or a learned one, today we'll be discussing 9 super cool tricks that every Z Flip 3 user should know about. This is Vaughn from Guiding Tech, and let's get started. Okay, so kicking things off, did you know that you can take quick selfies and videos without even having to open or unfold the Z Flip 3? Yup, that's right, you can do all of that right from the comfort of the cover screen. From the cover screen, double press the side key to open the camera. Swipe left or right to switch between photo and video. Alternatively, you can swipe up or down to zoom out or in. To capture a photo or video, tap the screen. A short timer will now appear and your photo or video will be captured. Alternatively, you can also press the volume key to start or stop recording. Pretty cool, no? The best part about the Z Flip 3, however, is undoubtedly the flex mode. This allows you to prop the phone into half and half and use it in various positions. While in flex mode, the camera options will shift to the bottom half of the screen and will reappear at the top when you unfold the phone. If you'd rather have the preview on the bottom and the options at the top, just double tap a blank spot in the middle of the bottom screen. To swap back, double tap a blank spot in the middle of the top half. So like I said, with the flex mode, you can prop up the phone in various different positions. But I mean, you still have to tap on the shutter button to start or stop the recording, right? Or just take a photo. Well, think again, you do not have to do that. You can just use voice commands for that. In the camera app, tap on settings and then tap on shooting methods. Turn the toggle next to voice commands and well, that's it. You can now use words like capture and shoot to take a photo or say record video to start video recording. Next up, night mode is a feature that's common across almost all the smartphones nowadays. However, Samsung Galaxy also offers a night hyperlapse mode which comes in super handy if you want to take trailing shots. To use it, tap on more in the options below and then tap on hyperlapse. Next, tap on record. Finally, switch to the night hyperlapse mode. And that's it. Now with other Samsung devices, you need to mount your phone on a tripod to keep it stable. But like I said, with the Z Flip 3, you can just fold the phone and keep it steady and use the night hyperlapse mode here. Moving on, single take is one of the most talked about features about every Samsung Galaxy device nowadays. I mean, why not? It's such a great feature. And if you're not using it already, you definitely need to check it out. Single take is basically a magic feature where it'll automatically generate images and videos from the raw snippet that you capture. About that raw snippet, if you want to wrap up the recording mode in 5 seconds, tap on the little timer on the lower right corner and drag the slider right. Single take can go up to 15 seconds. Alright, so now let's talk about how we can save up some space on a device while still shooting all of the images and videos that we want, but saving them in HEVC and HEIF formats. To do that, open the camera app. In the photo mode, tap on settings and then tap on format and advanced options. Here, enable the toggle next to HEIF pictures. Similarly, in the video mode, open settings and tap on advanced recording options and then enable the toggle next to high efficiency videos. Your photos and videos will now be saved in a more efficient format that take up less space while offering the same level of clarity and details. Okay, now did you know that Samsung actually offers a very cool way to create GIFs directly from the camera app? Here's how to do that. Just head over to the photo camera settings and tap on swipe shutter button 2. Change it to create a GIF and that's it. Now simply swipe the shutter button down and hold it while the phone starts snapping images to then make a GIF. Cool, no? The Z Flip 3 comes with plenty of shooting modes, but easily the coolest one is portrait video. It works with both rear and front cameras and it's really good for putting the focus on someone's face while recording. To use it, tap on more in the options below and then tap on the portrait video. Once the camera identifies a face, it will automatically start blurring the background. That's it. You can tap on the bokeh icon here and customize the amount of blur or choose a different portrait effect. Another cool feature about the Z Flip 3's camera is that it can scan any document for you. Basically, you don't need apps like Cam Scanner. The phone can do it itself for you. To do so, head over to camera settings, scene optimizer and switch on the option for a document scan. Now whenever the camera senses a document in front of it, it will show you a yellow scan button. And well, that was it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to let us know by giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more awesome tech content. Till then, this is Ron from Guiding Tech and I'll see you in the next one.